Welcome to the Department of Distance Education at the Presbyterian Theological Seminary in America. Today, we're going to walk you through the basics of using Canvas to enhance your learning experience. Let's get started. Logging into Canvas. First, let's talk about how to log into Canvas. There are two methods to do this. First method. When you are admitted to the school, you will receive an email titled, "Finish Registration, Canvas." Simply open this email and click here to finish the registration process. This will take you to a login page where you should enter your student ID and the temporary password given, which consists of the numbers 1 through 8. Second method, open your web browser and go to PTSA instructure.com. At the login page, enter your 7-digit student number in the student IDs field and the same temporary password. Once logged in, you'll see your main dashboard where you can accept your course enrollments. Changing your password. For security reasons, we highly recommend changing your password from the initial temporary one you receive. After logging in, navigate to Settings in your account menu. Click on Edit Settings, located on the right side. Check the Change Password box, and you will see fields to enter your old and new passwords. Fill these out, and click Update Settings to secure your account. Your profile. To facilitate better interaction with your professors and peers, it's a good idea to set up a profile picture. Here's how. Start by clicking on Account on the left side of the main screen. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. You'll see a circle with an outline. Inside this circle, there's a pencil icon. Click on it. Next, click on Choose a picture to upload a photo from your device. After selecting the desired photo, simply click Save to update your profile picture. That's all for our Canvas tutorial. We hope this video makes it easier for you to navigate and use Canvas effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Department of Distance Education. Thank you for watching.